ABB claims that their industrial drive, ACS 880, provides uncompromised productivity. I say, let's put it to the test. If you had a bull in your china shop, you'd probably be somewhat interested in safety issues. But what if it were a 6-ton elephant? In the last episode, we tested ACS 880 drive's direct torque control. Now it's time to test drive the safety functions. Mike, you're one of the ABB guys behind this drive. What makes your safety features smarter than anyone else's? After all, they are standard features and everyone's got them.
Yes, the standards are the same for everyone, but there are many ways to meet those standards.
Okay, well, let's see how your way works, and I think Jimbo wants some action.
The traditional way of building safety into an application is to add external safety devices, such as encoders, relays, and contactors. The ACS 880 has all these safety features in its plug-in Safety Functions module. The most basic feature of drive-based functional safety is the Safe Torque Off function, which our drive has built in too. It brings the drive safely to a non-torque state. Imagine that you're in an elevator and suddenly the power is lost. You'd really appreciate the safe brake control function being fast.
I sure would.
Now, are you ready to ride Jimbo?
I thought you would never ask.
You see, there's a dead end ahead of us. What I want you to do is drive as fast as you can in a safe manner right into the shelf.
What? You want me to speed into that Great Wall of China?
That's right, it's a test.
Well, what about the road signs?
Just aim and go.
Okay. Aha! Okay, so we have autopilot on.
Or the drive. First, it noticed that Jimbo was moving too fast into the slow zone. That's one of the safety functions called Safely Limited Speed. Then you reach the zone where the crane is not allowed to go, and the drive stopped it in a well-controlled manner. That's called Safe Stop 1, or SS1.
Oh, thanks, Drive. Smart moves.
This is very basic too. There are 2 limit switches along the way, and when the crane hits a switch, it activates the safety function.
Well, in that case, the drive doesn't have to be Einstein, does it?
Maybe not, but let's remove the limit switches and see how you do without them.
You're on.
Now this time, it all depends on your reactions. You have to make Jimbo come to a full stop when you hear this signal.
Okay. Oh, did you see how fast that was?
Well done. Was it only you, or did the drive help?
I don't see what you mean.
Well, let's do it again and see. Ready to floor it?
Ready when you are.
Go!
What? I did exactly the same as I did the first time. The crane stopped, but Jimbo didn't. Bad Jimbo, bad Jimbo.
The anti-sway function is not a safety function as such, but it makes driving heavy loads safer and easier. Here, the exaggerated animation shows how the ACS 880 makes several tiny but well-timed movements to absorb the kinetic energy and balance the load.
That looks magical. 10 points, I say. Does ABB's ACS 880 drive provide uncompromised productivity? I say it does. On ABB's website, you can dig deeper into uncompromised productivity.